Hello my friends, it's Will here. Today we are at the Santos Dumont airport in Rio and we are going to fly to Curitiba, to my city, and with a connection flight in Guarulhos, Sao Paulo. We checked our bag using the express service from Gol Airlines, in which we print the tag, the bag tag. Let's check the shopping mall there, that's beside the airport. Well, they didn't allow me to film inside, but there are a few shops, a food court with plenty of options to eat. It's very convenient beside the airport. You don't even need to go outside. It's direct from the mall to the airport. Our plug looks like this, so if you are coming from America, North America or Japan, you need an adapter. But if you come from Europe, you won't have a problem. This middle one doesn't do anything if you don't have it, but it needs to be circular. If you are from North America, your plug might be like this, and you need something like this. Et voilà. That bridge over there is the Rio-Niterói Bridge. It was built to connect the cities of Rio and Niterói. It's 14 kilometers long. And before the bridge, it was necessary to travel 100 kilometers to get to the other city. Our first ride will be in an 8 years old 737-800. The legroom could be better. There was a power outlet between the seats. Something to read, something to buy. Gol has these very tasty organic cookies. And while I show you the cook, the captain explains that our arrival will be delayed.
Procedimento de espera sobre a região de Taubaté.
You can watch live TV connecting to the Wi-Fi. So here we're now in Guarulhos Airport in Sao Paulo. At first our flight was going to be 46 minutes, but due to the heavy traffic arriving here in Guarulhos Airport, we needed to do a holding, and well, we delayed like 15 minutes our arrival, but it's okay. And our next flight is going only to be in 2 hours, so we have plenty of time here in Sao Paulo. Oh, so since we have a few time here in Sao Paulo, I'm gonna introduce you some typical Brazilian food. I have here the Globo cookie, which is a brand from Rio. You won't find this brand outside Rio de Janeiro, so that's why we bought it. So polvilho, this is polvilho cookie. Polvilho means the flour made of cassava or manioc. So it's something you probably won't find outside Brazil. It looks like this. It's a round shape. And if you come to Brazil, you have to try it because the flavor is unique. I'm sure you have never tasted something like this before. And this is very crunchy. I love it. The second leg of the trip was in a 17 years old 737-700, which used to be from EasyJet. Minutes later, we are here in Curitiba. For me, the flight time was like 10 minutes because I slept the whole flight. But thank you for joining me in this trip, and I'll see you next time.